cheap, cheap videos. Ding dong, ring dong, cheap, cheap videos.
Today we will change engine air intake filter. We bought this from Parts of Tar. Unboxing video! First, open the hood. Next, open this box to remove the filter. Compared to the new filter, this actually looks pretty clean, so we're gonna put it back. Before we put the old filter back in, we're gonna vacuum the bottom and the top. Now, time to put it back in. Now the job is done. These are the tools and materials we use to complete this job. These are the tools my dad used at the end. Reminder! Remember to not drink and drive.